today we'll talk about how can you disable notification bar on your Fasten Tracker app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on this sign. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notification bar here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to notification bar, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main notification bar. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.